Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new method on how to solve the cube. This method was invented by me and I named this method as a pillow method. Okay, so let's start. I'm just going to give a concept of this method. This method is actually a mixture of rocks, CFOP method. So you make sure that you learn that first before you're trying to solve this cube. Okay, so let's start the concept. Right, we're going to scramble the cube. Okay, so we're going to it's quite good scramble. Then now what we are going to do first is F12 without making a cross. What is a cross means regularly most of the cube solvers know what is a cross. First of all, how we are going to solve the cube. So first we'll go for F2L. Okay, so let's start. I picked this white, orange and green one and we are finding an edge piece for that. So it's here. We just going to do match this F2L pair and we can see is white, green, orange and green and orange, and just match this pair and put it here so that it's matching its centers, suppose. And then next pair it's orange or any pair we can just go for. So where is the next pair? It's red and green. Where is in red and green edge piece? It's here. So we just find the piece. Oh, it's a red and blue. So sorry, one minute. Red and blue, it's something. It's red and green piece, so it's here. We find this piece. Now we'll just, it's the same color, so we just put it twice and then just match it off again. So we can second pair right out there, two pairs we build it, orange one and the red one with the green. So we can for the third pair, it's blue and then red piece, it's here. So we just pick it on the top layer and just match it and put the pair in. Make sure that we are not making a cross, we're just directly going on for the F12s. So the final pair is blue and an orange one. So where it's here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not just doing something, it's with something new, and this is final pair we're going inserted in. So here what we're going to see is we made white corners here and F12s along with that. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to we are going to solve the top corners, these four, 1 2 3 4. So how we're going to do is something like this. First we'll bring all the corners in up on facing upside, and now we're going, it's already placed in the right places. Okay, and now when we are matching this, we find 1 2 these two pillars, something like this, one pillar, second pillar, third pillar and the fourth one. 4 pillars we got it. Now what we're going to do is just like what we are doing in rocks method. Just we're trying to build some arrows so that all these wrong edge pieces would be a good pieces. So what we can do is we got 2 here and we got something like this, again 2, so something, and we can hit 2 on the top and something is 1 and 2. We go and face opposite sides and this final one. So now what we're going to see is we have one, all where we see is, now what we're going to do the next is matching these whites with here on their correct places, something like this. Then it's a white and green edge piece, put it here, just give it twice turn, match it and save it and just go to other. So it's a white and orange one, and the final is here, it's something like this. So and now we're going to do something algorithm and what, just solve the cube. Okay, thank you guys. I know different types of method of how to solve this cube. So you can comment and tell me that which method I shall make a video. This method is not to teach you, it's just a concept of how to solve the cube with a different method, and this method hasn't been given by anyone else. Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe please.